Ferris has changed locations 3 times in its history. Prior to this move, we were actually operating out of 3 separate facilities, and we outgrew our operations at all of them. We really needed to find an architecture and engineering partner that was able to bring all of those operations under one roof and maximize the flow of our product throughout the facility.
The C2AE team focuses on solving our clients' problems. In the manufacturing arena, these problems are complex and they're always ongoing.
Previously, this facility was a durable goods manufacturer, and to renovate that into a food manufacturing environment needs an entirely unique set of requirements that all require the expertise of a highly skilled architectural and engineering firm.
A lot of architects and engineers will just ask you, how big of a box do you want me to build you, without understanding the synchronicity between the process and the building. We know how the process works. We know about efficiencies and work cells and things like that. We can bring that into our design process for the building so that the process is integrated into the space that we put it in. And in the end, the client's operation just runs that much smoother because of it.
C2AE did a great job designing the space to work not only for the manufacturing process, but ultimately for the people behind that process. So it's equal parts design and engineering working together for our team.